Hey y'all, it's Lananh here, and today, sorry, it's really echoey in here because, you know, we don't have any furniture or anything. But today we are doing a apartment tour. So it was my first apartment, so I didn't want to settle for like a not good apartment, you know what I'm saying? Like I wanted one with like maximum security and like all the amenities and all that stuff. Our actual apartment key is like not a real key. It's like this chip. And this like gives us access to like the elevators and the doors and everything. I came a long way to get here if y'all have not seen my road trip video. All right, let's get on with the actual tour. So I really wanted to do this little letterboard thing and get a picture of like my apartment or like the kitchen area. So I'm thinking about writing the first apartment on there because I don't know what else to write.
Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls who run away, they want
Probably gonna put it like right there. Yeah. It's cute. So this is the door entrance, and then when you come in, you know, you gotta take off your shoes because that's how we're gonna do it here in our apartment. I mean, we're not gonna put our shoes right here. We're probably gonna put it in a closet, but as of right now, I'm the only one here, so I'm just gonna leave it there. All right, so over here we have the kitchen, and I'm so happy because whenever I was looking for apartments, I really wanted a countertop because I didn't want to buy like a dining table and stuff like that. And then we have the dishwasher, the sink. Look how nice the sink is. Oh my gosh. And they gave us a cute welcome gift as well. So we have a stove. And then we have a nice little fridge, you know. Nothing in it right now. I just turned the ice machine on, so there's like nothing. But yeah, it's like really spacious, you know, really nice and new. Like whenever I was looking for apartments, I really wanted like the place to be like very new. Like if I'm already gonna have to pay so much money for rent, like you might as well. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of storage. Yeah, we definitely need to buy a stool because no one can reach that. Like, like I can barely reach the second one. Like I can't reach back there. But yeah, it's so freaking nice. We have so much storage space. Spice rack, right? Yeah. Then we have a microwave, which is so nice because all the other apartments I looked at, like they didn't have a microwave, or we had to get our own. Well, yeah. Literally, we have all the space storage that we need. All right, so that was our kitchen. From the kitchen, you turn over here and it's our washer and dryer, our in-unit washer and dryer, which is so nice because that's another thing that I wanted in my apartment was to have an in-unit washer and dryer. So yeah, we have so much space. Like, I'm so excited to like decorate because I was thinking about like putting baskets here so all our cleaning stuff can look cute and nice. That's that. Okay, and don't mind my boxes, they're in the way. And then you come over here and it's our living area. Sorry, I have stuff. This is gonna be our living room. Literally, this is the size of my bedroom at home. But you know, it's fine. You get what you get here. Ooh, the lighting. I mean, the kitchen lighting is orange tone, so. But yeah, this is our kitchen from this side. All right, and then from the kitchen, you turn around here to the left, and it's my roommate's room. And this is the master bedroom, and it has the ensuite bathroom. You walk in, and the bathroom is right here. Sorry, she has stuff in here already, so I don't want to like intrude. But yeah, this is what her bathroom looks like. she has cute shelves in her bathroom, and then the toilet, you know. I'll get out here, and then, oh, okay, this is her bedroom. And then you come over here and it's her closet. All the rooms have a walk-in closet. And then her room actually has a patio. It looks like that. I'm not gonna show y'all what the street looks like because, you know, again, security reasons. All right, and then, oh, let me close this. All right. And then over here is a little hallway. There's like open shelving units. So my plan for these shelves, like maybe decorate it a little bit just so it doesn't look like it's just all storage, you know. And then we have the lights right here and the thermostat, yeah. You can see we have 3 doors, so we're gonna go straight, and this is our bathroom. And of course, I bought my squatty potty, because you know, it's a lifesaver. But yeah, this is our bathroom, and also has a window. I forgot to turn lights. Yeah, so there's 2 lights actually. This is our bathroom, which is really nice and clean. It only has like this much storage space, but I'm sure we can figure out something. All right, so now there's a towel holder thingy. Okay, so now we were just in the bathroom. Now we're gonna turn right. Okay. In this room, this is my other roomie's room. She has, it's like a wide walk-in closet, more like a square walk-in closet, which is so nice. And she has more shelves, I believe. Yeah, so. All right. And now you already know, I'm about to show you my room. Okay, so we're back at the little area again. So now we're gonna turn left, and this is my room. All right, so this is what my room looks like. And this is my walk-in closet, which I'm really happy about. I'm thinking about buying like IKEA drawers to like put over here, because you know, your girl is right beside IKEA now. Dude, I'm literally so excited to go to IKEA, like y'all don't even understand. This is my closet, and then, ooh, that's great. But yeah, I'm pretty happy about my room space. I mean, it's definitely much smaller than my room at home, because literally my room at home is probably like twice this size, but you know, it's fine. We're trying to be minimalistic because I don't want a desk in here. I want just my bed. Trying to make it aesthetic, you know what I'm saying? My fridge is making ice and it's like making noise. So overall, I really like my new apartment. The only downside about this apartment that I low-key didn't know was a thing is that we don't have like lights like directly in our room. It's weird. We have like lights for our closets, but we don't have lights for our room. Trying to find a freaking apartment during the pandemic is so freaking hard, because I was like really open to any area in LA because, you know, I don't have a job yet and I don't need like to live in a specific place just yet. But yeah, I'm like so happy that I finally found 2 roommates that I feel like I'm gonna be so close with. They're both really sweet and like they have the same aesthetic as me, I guess you would say. Like they said that they really like minimalistic and they're like trying to keep it simple and nice. So I'm just like, yes. I hope y'all enjoyed the empty apartment tour. Literally me and my roomies, like we signed the lease without even seeing it or touring it first. And it was crazy because like we didn't even do a virtual tour, which I don't know why we didn't. We were like trying to like quickly hold the apartment place so no one takes it, because it was a pretty good deal on it. And Literally, the amenities are so freaking nice. Like, it's so aesthetic, it's so cute. Like, I cannot wait to take so much Instagram pictures up on the rooftop because it's so nice. All right, so that was it for my first apartment tour. I'm like so happy. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my moving vlogs. I'm about to unpack everything. All right, bye y'all.